2020 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 74,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include 4-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.